Sushant Singh Rajput has rose to a high in Bollywood with a line of films. Well, with his recent release MS Dhoni The Untold Story doing exceptionally well, he has become the dream boy of Bollywood. He made his debut with the film Kai Po Che, and since then, there has been no stopping to this young, talented actor. He has given few fabulous performances throughout his career, with MS Dhoni's role standing as the best in his career so far. Well, this flamboyant actor has few interesting and hidden facts about his life that we bet you might not be familiar with. So here's a list of 11 interesting facts about Sushant Singh Rajput. Number 1. Sushant Singh Rajput cleared 11 national engineering exams, including the School of Mines at Dhanbad. Number 2. Sushant Singh Rajput made his debut on television as Preet in Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil. Number 3. This young talented actor was also the National Olympiad winner in physics. Number 4. Sushant Singh Rajput had qualified for a scholarship and secured 7th rank in IEEE in the year 2003 and got enrolled in the Delhi College of Engineering in the Mechanical Engineering stream. However, Sushant later dropped out from engineering to pursue his passion in the field of arts. Number 5. Sushant is a great lover of dance and started his career as a dancer under choreographer Shamak Davar and went on to perform in the 2006 Commonwealth Games and Filmfare Awards. Number 6. Sushant Singh Rajput is the youngest of the 5 siblings and has 4 sisters. He lost his mother when he was in 12th standard. Number 7. This dynamic hunk has danced with Ashley Lobo's troupe, learned martial arts from Alan Amin, and also has been an assistant director to Mohit Suri during the making of Ras 2. Number 8. If not an actor, Sushant would have been a cricketer as he had great interest in cricket. Also for the fact that Sushant's elder sister used to be a state-level cricket player, his love for the game is quite obvious. Number 9. When Sushant became a movie actor, he had 3 directors' names on his wishlist, which included Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Rajkumar Hirani, and one more. Sushant didn't mention the name of the 3rd director because he feared that all the top directors whom he won't mention would get offended. However, later, he was offered a role in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Ram Leela and Bajirao Mastane, which he turned down due to scheduling problems. Number 10. Everyone knows that Sushant has done an exceptional job in MS Dhoni The Untold Story. Well, the credit for this goes to his elder sister, as she being a district level player has helped Sushant learn the cricketing techniques. Number 11. The lead role in the film Shuddh Desi Romance was first offered to Shahid Kapoor and he even started shooting for the same. But later, he left that project as he didn't find it very interesting. The role later went to Sushant Singh Rajput and the film was declared a blockbuster hit, and this strengthened Sushant's position as a lead actor in Bollywood. So people, those were the unknown and interesting facts about Sushant Singh Rajput. So people, which fact did you find the most interesting? Do let us know in the comment section below and keep watching this space as we'll be back with more updates.
कि हिंदुस्तान ने आखिर उन्हीं की ज़बान में जवाब दिया और मैं मोदी जी को इसके लिए बधाई देता हूँ, आर्मी को बधाई देता हूँ कि इतने प्रिसिशन से उन्होंने इसे कामयाब किया।